us too.
Nine us too.
Early numbers at station 1, who do we see? One little puppy smiles at me. He wags his tail so soft and brown. Choo-choo goes a train through town. At station 2, oh what a view. 2 yellow ducks say, how do you do? They flap their wings and join the fun. Counting's easy, 1 by 1. More friends on board at station 3. The bears climb in 3 fuzzy cubs with a joyful grin. They clap their paws in perfect time. Counting numbers feels so fine. At station 4, what comes next? 4 little kittens, soft and perplexed. They meow in tune as we chug away. The counting train is on its way. Midway fun at station 5, hooray, hooray. 5 bright parrots sing today. They squawk out loud, 1, 2, 3, then giggle, 4, 5, look at me. At station 6, beneath the trees, 6 brown monkeys swing with ease. They count bananas in their play as the train rolls down the way. Closer to 10, at station 7, frogs appear. 7 jump high with happy cheer. They rhythmic, loud and clap along, counting frogs in a joyful song. At station 8, the bunnies run. 8 white